Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Geetu. Today we are here to discuss about the new SARS-CoV-2 variant which has been referred to as the SARS-CoV-2 VOC 2020-12/01. That is, 01 is the first variant. VOC stands for the first variant of concern from 2020 December. So that has been stated as 2020-12. So let us discuss the information that is available so far. As the situation is changing rapidly, this information is valid only as of today, that is the 24th of December. This variant was first detected in September in the United Kingdom. In November, about 1/4 cases in London were linked to this new variant. So apart from UK, Italy is another country which reports the possibility of the new strain. France is also a country which has reported a few cases with the new variant. In Australia too, few days back, about 2 cases were found in returnees from UK. So what exactly has changed now? If you recollect my first video on COVID-19, I had described the structure of the coronavirus where there are spike-like proteins surrounding the genetic material of the virus which give it a crown-shaped structure. So the exact change has happened in the spike-like protein. The spike-like protein facilitates the entry of the virus within the human cells and thereby helps the spread of the virus. So because of this change, the entry within the human body has been facilitated and there is a quicker spread of the virus among the humans, which in medical terms is known as the transmissibility. So is this new strain dangerous and what should we be worried about? If I may quote Neil Ferguson, who's a public health researcher at Imperial College of London, he says that the new strain has an increased transmissibility, which I have earlier mentioned. Increased transmissibility of about 50 to 70%. So what is transmissibility? If I have to put it across in simpler terms, say there is a group of 10 out of which one person is infected. He may spread the infection earlier in about 2 or 3 people. But now, due to this new variant with increased transmissibility, the infection may be spread across to 4, 5 or 6 individuals. So what all should we be worried about? Our first concern is the ability of the virus to evade the current diagnostic tests. We all know the most popularly used test is the RT-PCR. So what does this RT-PCR do? In layman terms, it detects the specific genes of the virus in the sample provided. So if there is a change or mutation in a specific gene, then there is a possibility that the RT-PCR kit may miss the detection of the virus. A second concern is decreased susceptibility to the existing treatment options. There is a popular modality of treatment for COVID-19 which is known as the monoclonal antibodies, which are artificially produced antibodies and they are popularly referred to as the tocilizumab injections. So because of the genetic change that has occurred in the new strain of virus, there may be a possibility of revisiting our treatment options. The last concern is the ability of the virus to evade the vaccine immunity. To understand this, we should know the theory behind the vaccines. The vaccines target several portions of the spike protein to create antibodies against them. So, in this case of the new variant, where there is a single mutation in the spike protein, it cannot evade the vaccine because several other areas are also being targeted. So, if the virus has to escape from the vaccine, then it will have to create multiple mutations in the spike protein. Hence, in the current scenario, the chances of the virus escaping or the vaccine failure happening seem to be quite minimal. So there's no need to panic as of now. Continue with good hand hygiene, social distancing and wear a mask when out in public. Thank you for all the support that I've received on my previous videos. Please feel free to post any queries that you have in the comment section below. So take care, be safe and see you in the next one. If you have learned something from my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.